Good morning, everyone. We begin with the question answers which we had left last time and quickly finish it off. We were on the D exercise, right? I'm putting the screen on sharing. Okay, here it is. Can you see? Okay, the questions D1, what is Chaudh and Sardeshmukhi? The answer to this will be here. Chaudh from Sanskrit meaning one-fourth was a regular tax or tribute imposed from early 18th century by Maratha Empire in the Indian subcontinent. It was an annual tax nominally levied at 25% on revenue or produce. It was levied on the land which were under nominal Mughal rule. Sardeshmukhi was an additional 10% levy on top of the chaud. It is a tribute paid to the king. Then we come on to D2. Who was Raja Jai Singh? List two qualities he had. Answer. You will see the second picture here. This one, D2. Savai Raja Jai Singh of Amber was the governor of Malwa. After that, see the third picture. Bundi was conquered and annexed to Amber. Savai Raja Jai Singh made Jaipur his capital and was also made Subedar of Agra in 1722. After that, this question 2, D2 has second part also. List two qualities he had. So for these two qualities, you will write number one, he was an able and powerful Rajput ruler. Then he was an able and powerful Rajput ruler. Then number two, he had interest in
क्लास में गई
scientific
सारी
learning.
हाँ सारी
Sorry,
क्लास में गई मम्मी
sir,
मुझको सारी क्लास हो गई जा रही
switch off
सोने
your mic. Switch off your mic right now. D2 is little confusing, so I repeat the whole thing again. D2, you will start writing Savai Amber was the governor of Malwa. Bundi was conquered and annexed to Amber. Savai Raja Jai Singh made Jaipur his capital and was also made Subedar of Agra in 1722. After that, the second part of the question, which says, list two qualities he had. For this, you write, he was an able and powerful Rajput ruler, number one. Okay. Then, number two, he had interest in scientific learning. Now, this image is not given in the PDF which I'll send you. So, you need to see this D2 answer from here also. Did you get it? Otherwise, it will be called an incomplete answer. Now, coming to D3. The question is, when was the Khalsa Panth instituted and by whom? Answer, just a second. Children, D2 has more. He possessed a large army, artillery, and great wealth. His sway extended from Delhi to the banks of Narmada. After you finish all this, then you will write these two qualities. Okay? Able and powerful Rajput ruler. Okay? Is it clear?
यस
From
मैम
here you from
यस
here
मैम
you write. First you write the second image, this answer D2. Then these the two D2s you'll first finish from here. Then this is the remaining part D2. And then after this you will write. Is it clear to each one of you? Did you get
यस
it?
सर
Okay.
मैम
Coming. Yes. Should I read the whole answer again? D2, should I read the whole answer again? Yes. बोलो भाई.
मैम मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप पीडीएफ बना के भेज सकती हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर.
मैंने बनाई हुई है, मैं भेजूंगी भी, लेकिन उसमें एक पार्ट है जो नहीं है उसमें, इसीलिए तो मैं बार बार रिपीट कर रही हूँ. आई एम रीडिंग आउट D2 आंसर फाइनली. Savai Raja Jaisingh of Amber was the governor of Malwa. Bundi was conquered and annexed to Amber. Savai Raja Jaisingh made Jaipur his capital and was also made Subedar of Agra in 1722. He possessed a large army, artillery, and great wealth. His sway extended from Delhi to the banks of Narmada. After that, the second part of the answer lists two qualities he had. He was an able and powerful Rajput ruler. Number two, he had interest in scientific learning. Okay. After that, D3. When was the Khalsa Panth instituted and by whom? The answer is D3. The institution of Khalsa Panth was set up in the year 1699 by Guru Gobind Singh. It was a political group of the Sikh community, very strong and dedicated to their cause. It is written dedicated their cause, right there, to their cause. Okay. Next, D4. What were the combined forces of the Sikh army called? Answer. The combined forces was called the Dal Khalsa, the Grand Army. A number of brands called Jathas and later on missiles comprised the Khalsa. The Khalsa met on Baisakhi Day at Amritsar to organize their forces and take collective decisions called the resolutions of the Guru or Gurmatas. Okay, coming to long answers. E1. First question. Why did the Nawabs of Awadh and Bengal try to do away with the Jagirdari system? Answer. The Nawabs of Awadh and Bengal tried to do away with the Jagirdari system to decrease Mughal influence in the regions by reducing the number of office holders, that is Jagirdars, appointed by the Mughals. They also reduced the size of Jagirs and appointed his own loyal servants. The accounts of Jagirdars were checked to prevent cheating, and the revenue of all districts were reassessed by officials appointed by the Nawab's court in an effort to reduce the Mughal influence in Bengal. Rashid Quli Khan transferred all Mughal Jagirdars to Orissa and ordered a major reassessment of the revenue of Bengal. Revenue was collected in cash with great strictness from all zamindars. As a result, many zamindars had to borrow money from bankers and money lenders. Coming to E2, why did the Marathas wish to expand beyond the Deccan? Answer. The Marathas wanted to extend beyond the Deccan in order to decrease the Mughal influence. By the 1720s, they seized Malwa and Gujarat from the Mughals, and by 1730s, the Maratha king was recognized as the overlord of the entire Deccan Peninsula. E3. What policies were adopted by Asaf Jah to strengthen his position? Answer. After being the actual ruler of the Deccan, Asaf Jah began to adopt some policies in order to strengthen his position. He brought skilled soldiers and administrators from the from northern India who welcomed the new opportunities in the south. He appointed mansabdars and granted jagirs. He ruled independently without Mughal interference. The Mughal emperor merely confirmed the decisions already taken by Asaf Jah. That's it. So the whole PDF I'll send to you. There's only a little addition in D2 answer, which I think you will do. Will you manage? I have sent the picture also. I mean, the recorded video will have the picture of the 2 points of D2 second part question. Okay? Is this much very, very clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll be sending you the PDF. And I just stop this recording so that I have this at one place. And now we'll take up another